Forum is Minerva's own designed active learning platform. It's where us Minerva students can go for anything we need for our courses.
Forum is different because it encourages everybody to be present.
It provides everything we need as students, including going to our classes on forums, looking at our learning outcomes, talking to our professors in office hours, and submitting our assignments.
Because it's a place where I feel safe enough to ask questions.
We are spread across the rotation cities. Even though I'm not actively in Hyderabad or Tokyo, I am able to see what people brought from there.
It really brings such a worldly perspective. Whether you're in Buenos Aires and it's 9 a.m. or you're in Taipei and it's 8 p.m., you get to kind of share your perspective that's guided by what's around you.
Forum is remarkable, and it's not just the technology, it's the curriculum and the pedagogy that uses science of learning to intentionally think about the learning outcomes that students need.
We have a foundational first-year curriculum that is interdisciplinary, that all of our students take, and that really is about building the knowledge and skills that you will need to solve complex problems that are interdisciplinary and global in nature. Active learning, learning where there are real stakes, learning where meaning has to be negotiated with other people, learning that gets transferred to a wide variety of complex problem-solving exercises. That's learning that sticks. It's learning that helps you build skills.
We have specific learning outcomes for every class that we want students not only to think about, but to use those concepts or habits of mind.
It's so different. I don't even know if I am capable of learning a traditional classroom anymore. So it's much easier for me to focus during a forum class session compared to being in a normal classroom with people physically right next to me. One thing I love about Forum is freedom that students get. The professors only have about 5 minutes at a time to ask a question or share a brief overview, and the rest is us students talking.
The technology was designed to facilitate constant debate and discussion of ideas and strategies.
Students at Minerva get a chance to practice critical thinking because they're learning by doing. Most universities are faculty-centered. Ours is student-centered. And we tell students what we want them to learn from the beginning in Foundation Week to every single class.
I feel like as my classmates and I work together to solve this problem, we get a connection that's like forging fires, because we go in a flame not knowing how to figure things out, but then we walk out grateful that we learned from each other.
Minerva is the place to come to learn if you are an aspiring global leader who cares about a safe and sustainable future.